This is a live stream from a RICOH THETA V. It's using motionjpeg and it's using Wi-Fi in client mode. This is using Python and OpenCV. It's from Bob Catcher. It's very short. It's only 37 lines here, and you can get a very nice stream here. Right, so one of the ways I like to test it is I'm playing a video on YouTube, and I'm going to rotate the camera so that you can get a better view of the video, and then we could see the how well this is performing, which is pretty good, right? So and I'm actually pretty surprised at the quality of this stream here. Looks very good. And you can see here I have the camera is just standing alone on a tripod, and the quality is just phenomenal. It's actually better than my Logitech webcam right now. It looks beautiful. So the content of the script is right here in the form. You just copy and paste it down and import the libraries, and you can run it. It's pretty straightforward. I'll just walk you through it. So let's create first a directory for the Python OpenCV tutorial. Whoops. Okay, so it's completely blank. There's nothing in this thing right now. I have pipenv installed. If you don't have pipenv installed, you can just use pip in virtual environments, or any way to install the Python packages. But I am using pipenv in this example here, and Python 2.7 here, but I'm going to use Python 3. So I've got Python 3.11 installed, so I'll use this one. pipenv install Python 3.11. And I need to install the dependencies for this, right? So that one, where is it? Okay. Right at the top, there's requests, request auth. Let's take care of those first. So pip install requests. And request auth. Then he has numpy. And he also says CV2, right? But this is OpenCV Python. So we'll need to, after we finish installing numpy, install OpenCV-Python. Okay, so I'll go pip install OpenCV-Python. And that OpenCV Python is, if you're new to OpenCV, is that it's just import OpenCV right here. Okay, we're good to go. So I'll do pipenv shell, and then now my Python version is 3.11, and I have all the nice modules installed. I'm going to use VS Code. So I have my camera is already connected in client mode here, and if you don't know how to connect the camera in client mode, well, why isn't it scrolling? You could watch another video. Oh, let's see. Scroll. Okay, I got it. Control C. I'll do a main.py. And I'm going to paste it in. Okay, so this, there's no red here at the top, but there's a red here because we need the IP address of the camera. So I have the camera connected again. It's connected right to my router. And I know the camera IP is 192.168.2.101. You can use discovery. In this case, I just looked at the router. I've also assigned a static IP of the camera to the router because I use it for testing all the time. There's a serial number of the camera, which includes, in this case of the theta V, includes the YL here. So let's grab that. There's a sticker on the bottom of the camera body, or if the sticker is gone, you could use OSC info. But I know this is my serial number. Copy it in. Let's try it again. Oh, look at that, it's working beautifully. All right, so I'll put the link to the forum, and I'll also put this up on GitHub, giving Robert Catter attribution for this. Beautiful.